So, hi students, welcome you all. Hi everyone. Okay, so now we are live. So, I was doing some settings to come live. No problem. We are live now. Hi everyone. Please comment me in the comment box. All of you, how many are present? From today, I am going to start our preparation chapter wise solutions of all your sample papers and important questions of your board exam. Okay, so welcome to everyone. I think 11 people are live. Tell all your friends to join as much as early possible. Hi Kiran, hi Mutappa, hi Kavya. Welcome to everyone. I'm very happy that you all are attending the class. So already in the previous three videos, I have solved one sample paper of part B and part C. So you can go through that for one first model paper. Today I'm going to take all your problems of previous year questions and important questions from your vectors chapter. Okay. So today PDF is not available. Don't worry. From tomorrow I am going to take PDF and you can go through that PDF. Okay. So today we are going to start vectors. So first, please tell me everyone, video is clear or not? Video is clear or not? Please reply me quickly. If video is clear, audio is clear, then we can start our class. Good evening to everyone. Hello and hi to everyone. Okay, so video is clear, audio is clear, so everything is ready. We can start the class. Okay, so see question number one from your vectors chapter. Okay, so today for today's class I have not taken PDF. From tomorrow's class I will take PDF, don't worry. So today I will write the question and I will simplify it. You can go through it. Clear? So from tomorrow I will upload PDF and I will also send PDF to your WhatsApp group. Already I have sent 5 model question papers to your WhatsApp group. So from that 5 model question papers, you can just tick the questions which you want or which you are in confusion, and you can send me back from the vectors chapter. Tomorrow you can do that. Okay. So today I will solve all the problems, and tomorrow you just go through the model question papers which I have sent for your WhatsApp group. So you see only from vectors which problems are in confusion or which problems are in doubt. Okay, from that I can clarify. So here 2 mark 2 questions, 2 mark 2 questions, 3 mark 2 questions. That means nearly 10 marks you are going to get from part B and part C. Part B and part C. Okay. And 1 mark, 1 question. 1 mark, 1 question. So this is the weightage of vectors chapter. Already I think all of you know this. If you don't know, no problem. Now you can understand it. So total you have 11 marks of weightage, and that 11 marks are distributed like this. Okay. So 2 mark 2 questions and 3 mark 2 questions. Okay. So first I will solve the problems of part B. First I will solve problems of part B. That is question 1. Find find unit vector find unit vector in the direction of in the direction of in the direction of vector A, in the direction of vector A, which is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap, and that has magnitude that has magnitude 7 units, that has magnitude 7 units. All of you quickly reply me. So I have to simplify this. Okay. So here, see what they are asking. They are asking find the unit vector, not unit vector. Find the vector in the direction of, find the vector, find the vector in the direction of vector A. Find the vector in the direction of vector A that has magnitude 7 units. So my dear students, quickly tell me, anybody knows the steps to find this? Here first you understand the problem. What is the problem? You have to solve a vector, not unit vector. Please remember, not unit vector. You have to find one new vector which has magnitude 7 units and the direction is in the A. Are you getting my point? So for any vector, you need direction as well as magnitude. So here the direction is given in the form of A and magnitude is given in the form of 7. So for that, please see here, first step is you have to find unit vector in the direction of vector A. That means A cap. You have to find. First you find A cap, that is vector A divided by magnitude of vector A. So what is vector A? 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap divided by, what is mod of vector A? That is square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square. Clear? So from this you can understand, that is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap divided by root of 4 plus 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So now this is unit vector. Please understand, this is unit vector. Okay. But we don't need this unit vector. We need a new vector in the direction of vector A with magnitude 7 units. So for that, first you have to find unit vector A. Now required vector equal to 7 times of A cap. Please understand this, 7 times of A cap. So that will be 7 into 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap divided by root 14. Quickly reply me. Suppose if you have doubts, you have to ask, then only I can understand that you are not following my techniques or you are not following my steps. So that's why I can reply for you. Hi Revappa, hi Ram. Good evening to everyone. So first here I have simplified unit vector in, sorry, first we have to take unit vector in the direction of vector A. So see here students, for our new required vector, this gives direction. Unit vector gives direction and here this 7 gives magnitude. So that's why we have to follow these steps. So please understand this. Whenever you get this type of problem, find a new vector. There will be two type of questions. One is find unit vector. Another one is find the vector. Please understand that. Everyone has to understand that. Please see here. There will be two types. There will be two types. One is find new vector. Find new vector. And second one is find unit vector. Find unit vector. These are the two types. Okay. So from these two types, here which question they have asked? See, find the vector means it is finding new vector. Finding new vector. So whenever you are finding new vector, what you have to do? You have to follow these two steps. You have to follow these two steps. Please understand that. But whenever you are finding unit vector, you have to write only first step. Step 1. Whenever you are solving for unit vector, you have to write only this much. Please understand this. But whenever you are solving new vector, which is given here, find the vector. Only this the and unit is difference. Please understand that. Whenever they ask find the vector, that means you have to find new vector. Whenever they ask find unit vector, you have to only write first step. This particular step. This is unit vector. This is unit vector. Okay. Clear? But when they ask find the vector, this is your new vector. This is your new vector. 90% of students get confused here. In this question, 90% of students get confused because of this particular reason. In the exam, examiner will ask find the vector. They will only find unit vector. When they ask find the unit vector, they solve new vector. Are you getting my point? So that's why I am telling there are two type of problems. One is to find unit vector and the second one is to find the vector. So whenever they ask find the vector, you have to first find unit vector. Next you have to find required vector. If they ask only unit vector, you have to solve only a cap. Please understand this particular problem. I have seen so many number of students that they make wrong in this type of problem. Examiner will ask unit vector, they will solve new vector. Examiner will ask find new vector, students will solve unit vector. Don't do that mistake. Okay, don't do that mistake. Please understand it. So I think everyone understood about these two types. Quickly reply me. I'm waiting for your replies. There are two types. One is find the new vector. Another one is find the unit vector. So are you cleared about these two problems? Have you understood this? You have to quickly reply. You have to quickly reply. I'm waiting for your replies. If you have any doubts, you can ask. No problem. Okay, very good. I have got one positive reply. What about others? Others also has to tell me. Don't get fear or don't get any type of hesitations. You can ask any doubts. You can clarify your any type of doubts. Don't worry. Okay. You have simple minor doubts in your mind, that also you can ask. No problem. Okay. Now let us go for now let us go for second problem. Now let us go for second problem. That is find the projection. Find the projection of the vector of the vector I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap. on the vector that is 7 I cap 7 I cap minus 8 j cap, sorry, 7 I cap minus j cap, not 8 j cap, 7 I cap minus j cap, 7 I cap minus j cap plus 8 k cap plus 8 k cap. Okay, so here you have to find the projection of the vector I cap plus 3 j cap plus 7 k cap on the vector 7 I cap minus j cap plus 8 k cap. So in this, see, you must know projection formula. You must know projection formula, that is projection of vector A, projection of vector A on vector B, that is equal to vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector B. Projection of vector A on vector B equal to vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector B. So that is equal to here I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap dot with 7I cap minus j cap, 7I cap minus j cap. See this, the second vector will be 7I cap minus j cap plus 8k cap divided by mod of vector B. What is mod of vector B? Square root of 7 square 49 plus minus 1 square plus 1, 8 square 64. Okay. So now this is equal to I cap into 7I cap is 7. 3 j cap minus j cap is minus 3. 7 k cap plus 8 k cap is 56 divided by square root of 50 plus 64. What is 50 plus 64? That is 114. Okay. So 50 plus 64 you can calculate, this will be 114. Clear? Okay. So now you see this projection of vector A on vector B. Projection of vector A on vector B, that is vector A dot vector B divided by mod of vector B. So that you have to simplify. So Revappa is asking that in exam they ask both or one. See, they can ask only one. They will not ask both. They will ask only one. Okay. See, in this they will ask one question. Otherwise they may not ask also. Otherwise they may not ask also. Okay. But both question there is no option. They can ask any one of this. Otherwise they can ask no question. But both the questions are not possible. Clear? Okay. Everyone tell me, have you understood the projection of vector A on vector B? Please reply me. Have you understood this? Projection of vector A on vector B. Projection of vector A on vector B. Have you understood this? Please tell me. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask. No problem. Next, third problem. Find the area. Find the area of parallelogram. Find the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are whose adjacent sides are whose adjacent sides are given by whose adjacent sides are given by the vectors vector A equal to 3I cap plus j cap plus 4k cap and vector B equal to I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Okay. So now we have to find the area of parallelogram with adjacent sides. This is important. Please remember, find the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides. This is important. So that's why here area equal to vector A cross vector B mod. That means mod of vector A cross vector B you have to find whenever adjacent sides are given. Please understand, sometimes they will give diagonals in the exam. Sometimes they will give diagonals in the exam. Please concentrate. This word is very, very important. First you see, find the area of parallelogram of what? Adjacent sides are given or not. If the adjacent sides are given, this is the formula. If adjacent diagonals are given, you have to multiply it with 1 by 2. If diagonals are given, please understand. If diagonals are given, formula will be A cross B into 1 by 2. If adjacent sides are given, formula will be mod of A cross B. Formula will be mod of A cross B. Okay. So now here they have given the adjacent sides. So that's why we shall go for mod of A cross B. So first we shall find A cross B. That is equal to determinant of I cap, J cap, K cap. Second row is 3, 1, 4. 1 minus 1, 1. Okay. Now this is equal to I cap into 1 plus 4 minus J cap into 3 minus 4. See this, minus J cap into 3 minus 4 plus K cap into 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 1 into 1 is minus 1. Okay. So this is 5I cap plus J cap minus K cap. This is A cross B. Okay. Now we have to find mod of A cross B. That is equal to square root of 5 square plus 1 square plus minus of 1 square. That is square root of 25 plus 1 plus 1. So that will be root 27. What is root 27? So here you can just see. Please check once because here I have done little bit small mistake. This is please verify this. Here you have minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 4k cap, that is minus 4 square plus 16. Clear? So therefore 25 plus 1 plus 16. 25 plus 1 plus 16 will be root 42. Square root of 42. Okay. So this is your answer. This is your answer. Clear? So check your answers. Your answer must be root 42. Clear? So very good. Very good Sureka. Very good Lakshmi. Very good. I think you have identified my mistake. Very nice. Okay. What about others? Have you understood this problem? Have you understood this problem? Now, suppose for the same problem, if I change this as diagonals, what will be the answer? Quickly tell me. If I change this as diagonals, what will be the answer? Quickly you have to reply. Quickly reply me. What will be the answer if I change it as diagonals? For the same problem, if I change this as diagonals, what will be the answer? Very good. So that is 1 by 2 into root 42. Here you must write 1 by 2. Please understand this because in examination they will make you confused. So if I write 1 by 2 into square root of 42, that will be the answer for diagonals. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? 1 by 2 into square root of 42. This will be the answer. You have to multiply your answer with 1 by 2. That's all. If diagonals are there, your formula will be 1 by 2 into mod of vector A cross vector B. I have solved both 3 and 4. In the fourth question, your problem is diagonals. In the third question, your problem is adjacent sides. Adjacent sides. Okay. This is problem number 3 and this is problem number 4. Please understand that. Okay. So now I can go for the next problem. That is find, or what is the next problem? That is fifth one. Vector A equal to 5i cap minus j cap minus 3k cap, and vector b equal to I cap plus 3j cap minus 5k cap. Okay. So now then show that the vectors vector A plus vector B and vector A minus vector B are perpendicular. This we have to prove. So to prove this, first we have to find vector A plus vector B. So for that you write vector A, that is 5i cap minus j cap minus 3k cap plus I cap plus 3j cap minus 5k cap. This is equal to 5i cap plus I cap is 6i cap minus j cap plus 3j cap is plus 2j cap minus 3k cap minus 5k cap is minus 8k cap. This is vector A plus vector B. Next find vector A minus vector B, that is 5i cap minus j cap minus 3k cap plus I cap plus 3j cap minus 5k cap. So now subtract this 5i cap minus I cap, 4i cap minus j cap plus 3j cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap minus 5k cap minus 8k cap. Okay. Now we have to show that, see here, we have to show that the vectors A plus B and A minus B are perpendicular. So for that you can see here vector A plus B dot vector A minus B is equal to 6i cap plus 2j cap minus 8k cap dot with 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 8k cap. This we have to simplify. 6 into 4, 24. 2 into 2, that is 4. Clear? So but here you just see 8 into 8 is 64. Sorry, we have to do subtraction, not addition. We have to do subtraction. Please check this. Here we have to do subtraction. I have add that both the vectors. Sorry for that. Here I went that problem. Give me for some times. So wait for a second. I will check where is that problem. Okay, I think it got deleted. No problem. See the fifth question. I think it got deleted. No problem. See the fifth question. I will solve it again. See the fifth question. I will solve it again. That is vector A and vector B are given. What is vector A? That is 5i cap minus j cap minus 3k cap. What is vector B? Vector B is I cap plus 3j cap minus 5k cap. So we have to prove that vector A plus vector B is perpendicular to vector A minus vector B. Sorry. So there we have gone little bit wrong. No problem. Vector A plus vector B. What was vector A plus vector B? 6i cap plus 2j cap. Again this is minus 8k cap. What is vector A minus vector B? 5 minus 1 is 4i cap. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4j cap. Minus 3 plus minus into minus will be plus 2k cap. Okay. So A plus B and A minus B. So now if both the vectors are perpendicular to each other, their dot product must be equal to 0. Their dot product must be equal to 0. Clear? See here minus 3 minus of minus 5. It will be how much? Minus 3 plus 5. So this is 2. Clear? If you add this 2, this will be minus 8. So therefore you just check 24 and this is minus 8. So 24 minus 8 and this is minus 16. So 24 minus 8 is plus 16 and minus 16 will be equal to 0. So therefore vector A plus vector B is perpendicular to vector A minus vector B. Clear? You just check if you do the dot product 6 into 4 24, 2 into minus 4 minus 8, minus 8 into 2 minus 16. So this is 24 minus 8 plus 16 minus 16. So this will be equal to 0. So previously here I have taken this as plus in the second one also. So that's why we got wrong. No problem. Sometimes if we lose the concentration that will happen. Don't worry. Okay. So now have you understood this? Please tell me. Have you understood this? We have solved 5 problems. So today I want to check how many are going to attend the class. So that's why I have scheduled the class and I think only 20 to 30 members are going to attend. No problem. If 10 students also attend, I will take the class. Some of them they are not attending the class. Just to check how many are going to attend the class, I have taken this. And then from today, every day from 9 to 10, every day from 9 to 10, I will take the class. Today I am going to end it here. I have solved 5 problems for today. To start the classes, these 5 classes are enough. So from tomorrow we can continue. How many can attend the class from 9 to 10? Please tell me. Quickly tell me. Class must be for 30 minutes for 60 minutes. That is your option. If it is 60 minutes, it is very good. If it is 60 minutes, it is very good. So that's why I am asking, because I want to solve so many number of problems. That's why I'm asking. Today I have to end this class here. So how many can attend the class? Please tell me how many can attend the class. Tell me 60 minutes or 30 minutes. I will be waiting for your replies. Tell me 60 minutes or 30 minutes. If you tell 60 minutes, I will go for 60 minutes. If you tell 30 minutes, I will go for 30 minutes. Quickly you have to reply. So I will check your replies and I will answer. Chapter wise important questions only I am going to solve. Don't worry. Chapter wise important questions only I am going to solve. And it is only for board exam preparation. It is only for board exam preparation. Okay. So daily I will take 60 minutes of class. Everyone, please be healthy and maintain your health. Today I am feeling little bit uncomfort, no problem. But when I take class for 30 minutes or 60 minutes again, that will be the good medicine for me. I will get recover. Okay, so let us end the today's class and we shall continue tomorrow. Thank you everyone. Be safe and bye. Good night. Take care.